Hey guys, today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Steam achievement icon not showing. First of all, what you have to do is launch your Steam application. Select Steam here. As you do that, select settings. On the left hand side, select downloads. And let's go ahead and clear the download cache. So select clear cache and confirm your action. Once done, select library. Under library, you will see the games that you have downloaded. If you're having a problem with a specific game, right click onto it, select properties. Select general, make sure this is turned on, and likewise simply select updates. You make sure this is set to always allow background downloads, and once done you can also verify the integrity of game files by clicking on this right button again, and under manager somewhere you will see it if you have installed the game. Now once you do so, you're going to have to restart your device, launch your Steam again, and it will fix the problem. Thank you all for watching guys. If it helped, leave a like and sub. We will catch you up soon.